So, my name is Prarthana Sharma, and I am from Madhya Pradesh. And I am also married woman. I have two kids.
Wow, great. You have two kids. Okay. Are you interested
So,
for discuss any topic? Then we can discuss.
I have my level best. Whatever I know, I won't talk. Any topic. I won't talk because we are learning this language. So whenever we talk to anyone, so just do normal conversation. So whenever we do any topic, so we force our mind little. Okay.
Topic is very simple. I think every girl can discuss this topic. It is very simple topic.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah.
Okay. So topic is like sometime we are follow so many fashion trends. Then what's your opinion? We should blindly follow these trends, or we should some person right now nowadays I am giving more prioritize my comfortness. If
Right.
I'm feeling comfortable, then I will follow that trend. If I'm not feeling comfortable, I will not follow. So what's your
Yeah.
opinion about fashion trends?
Yeah, yeah, you are mentioned we are feel comfortable, so we follow. But whenever we go any party function, so we have to ready and like this and wear cloth like this. Whenever we stay at home, so it's easy for wear anything like a normal comfortable. But I also want I in my relate area sari away compulsory. After marriage we have to wear sari, so if you feel comfortable, so and if you do not feel comfortable, but you have to wear sari. And some jewelry item means it's a compulsory. So like I am living in this just city, so here in whatever I want, so I wear, it's my choice. But whenever I go village town and any party function, so it's not up to me. But we should wear whatever we feel comfortable.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Because because whenever we wear uncomfortable clothes, so just it seems our face and we not feel good. And like it's a we
Unbearable,
feel
unbearable
mhm,
situation. Yes.
situation, unwearable situation. So I feel also like in sari lots of varieties. So whenever I buy sari, so I only buy for like that sari I feel comfortable. I buy like those sari. And I
Mm.
never purchase like a very heavy and stone like those. Sorry, I don't like. So I don't purchase. And mostly, yeah, I wear whatever I feel comfortable.
Yes. And sometimes every person has their own choice. Some person prefer some makeup also. But
Yes.
sometimes we
It's
don't know about the makeup. There are so many things like uh, how should we make our base. I have known only these words, but I don't know how should we prepare our base. I don't know. So we sometimes we are going to parlor, but some parlors who are like doing our makeup, it not looks good. Sometimes it is a heavy makeup. What do you
yeah,
think
because
about?
very well, like in a rural area, like village, and in a town, so they don't know very well how to apply makeup good way.
Yes,
So just they apply foundation much. And everyone tone, there is different shades foundation available. What they do, they just apply one foundation to every face. So seems not good. You when foundation not match our skin, so how it's seems good. So
sometimes
that's
it looks
why.
like if we are going in day function and we are doing heavy makeup, it doesn't look
Right.
good.
Yeah, actually I don't like makeup much. You see, I don't like makeup. But I seem many time I saw like this, like like it's a a person to person, and even without makeup they do not leave our home. Every time they wear makeup, so like they like, so that's why they wear. I am not want to say why you wear, because they like. And it's a
That
good.
person, if they are liking these makeup,
Yeah,
they can do. But
right.
I personally don't like, heavy makeup. Sometimes you can say, I'm just applying my, what we say, lip balm. Yes,
It's in lipstick. Yeah, I like lip balm and like lipstick, normal
lipstick.
lipstick and kajal.
I never apply lipstick on my lips, but when I'm making, like right now we are doing conversation, that time I apply.
But I don't apply anything. I just apply simple normal clean cream, and just I make tie. Because sometime when I have to go party, so that time I try to apply
That time
lip
is
normal.
compulsory when you are going in a party. I think it's compulsory.
Right. And otherwise, no. But we have to wear makeup. We looks beautiful, after wear good makeup and good dress up. So, we our looks like very beautiful. And some women they do very good makeup.
Hmm.
Like, so
I'm
it's a
agree.
good. But when we know very well, that's a good. I see, so I feel good whenever I see to other person.
About these makeups, what would suit our face? I think
Yes.
that time we should apply light makeup.
Right. Daytime light makeup, and right, whenever I go any night dinner, night party, so we have to wear like a like a night type makeup.
Mhm. Okay, I'm giving you a situation. Like you had wearing a very good dress. You can say lehenga, some heavy sari also. You can
Mm,
assume, and someone is and you are fully ready for going
mm.
any party, and someone is saying, Pratna, please, can you do this work for me? Then how you feel? You will do or not? I know why you are saying, because now I'm ready. I don't want to do anything. Have you
Actually,
ever faced, have you
that situation.
sorry,
Uh,
I'm interrupting you. Have you ever faced this situation in your life when you are fully
yeah,
ready and someone is
many.
saying,
Yeah, many time, like in December my sister wedding was there, so I wore a lehenga, and I did lots of work because I'm habitual to wear sari and do work. Because I told you, like I mentioned you, in my large family, like in my village also it's a compulsory to wear sari. So I am habitual, but sometime like when we wear lehenga and heavy sari, so it's a feel difficult to do any work. But yeah, it's I have to do, so yeah. Nothing, I have to do, so yeah, I will do.
I think
And
you have
I
so many works in the wedding function.
yes, because I like I'm he younger than her. I am younger than her, so like we have to manage everything.
But I think that time our idea has came out in your mind. If I had wear my comfortable dress, I will do all these things. But right now I have wearing this lehenga. It is very difficult for me.
Yeah, so I thought like, oh my god, it's lehenga very heavy. Like I just take off very fast. Like Jaimala, after Jaimala, I take off my lehenga and I wore frocks, because
Yeah,
like
had wear
it's
your
easy. Yeah, it's easy to do work here and there. So only I wore Jaimala, and like in my side first Dwar Puja and then Jaimala.
Mhm.
So I after Jaimala I just take off my clothes.
Yeah,
Okay,
I think when you had wear your gown, that time you were feeling, oh, this is my comfortable dress.
this is my comfortable. Yeah, you are right. So what do you think? What do you think? about makeup and like jewelry.
I have done so many mistakes. After that, I have learned like I don't know how to make up like for my skin. So now I'm not preferring any beauty parlor because I don't know. And sometimes they make they make our face. I don't know what it is called. It looks very bad. So I'm just applying
Right.
simple cream. You can say BB cream, CC cream. It is good for our skin for beginners. You can say, but I don't know. And second thing, just apply a simple lipstick. It's good because we have not done any professional course, so I don't know, and I have no interest in makeup also. And third thing, yes, in special type of you can say puja, wedding function, it is mandatory. You should wear some heavy dresses. You can say
Right.
lehenga. There are so many things. But that time, I always feel very uncomfortable. I don't know why.
After wearing heavy cloth, we everyone feel like this and just want take off
I
that.
always want, it's my, you can say opinion. I always want heavy dress for any function. But after wearing, I feel always, uncomfortable.
Like a kids, they want like if anyone have daughter, so that like I see many times, I want frock and like heavy frock, and when they wear half an hour, they say, "Mama, please take off this, please take off this," and especially summer season.
Yes. And if I talk about sarees, in daily life, I'm not wearing sari. And in my family, there is no so many restrictions. So I can wear suit also and
Mhm.
any other dresses also. But yes, if there is a special kind of puja, you can say Diwali puja, some big events, then mostly I prefer our Indian attire like sari, some good attire also.
Yeah, because in function also sari and langa, it's seems good whenever we wear sari. So like our look and seems very good.
Shared a very good memory of your sister's marriage.
My sister's wedding, every marriage, lots.
Think you have shared a very good experience of your sister's marriage that you had wearing a heavy lehenga and you were wandering here and there and you are feeling very uncomfortable.
No, I didn't feel very uncomfortable because it's a winter's time.
Okay.
When
But in summer
it,
season, if you are going this kind of function, because after some time the marriage will start also, and you can say it is a trend also. Most of the women are wearing lehenga, so many dresses also, and sometimes we are blindly follow.
right. Because just we see like here and there they wiping sweat and like seems I am looking very beautiful. And
Yes,
they act only do act, but in inside they feel uncomfortable.
yes.
Sometime it happens.
In winter, everything is good, but if we talk like in summer season, and you are going in a wedding function, some other kind of function, that time it is compulsory. You should wear a heavy dress and some makeup also. But you can say in heart we are always feeling, oh, I am feeling very uncomfortable.
Yeah, right. Everyone feel like this, but but they don't, but they bear, but they
But if
don't like it's a
it is
winter season. Yeah,
if you
it's
are
compulsory.
all, I think all the ladies, you can say all the ladies group will see, oh, it's your look. It is very simple look. You don't know how to dress up in these functions.
Right.
After they will give
You,
you advice also.
yeah, why you didn't wear jewelry? Why you didn't wear nice sari? Like everyone talk like this, so we have to wear any function.
Yes. Anything if you want to edit in this conversation, you can do.
What you say?
Saying if you want anything, if you want edit in this conversation, because today topic was fashion trends. We should follow blindly, or you can say, or we should ignore the fashion trend. That was our topic. So I
right.
want to know if you have some extra points, then you can
Yeah.
tell me.
Tough. Like these days, Western dress and Indian dress, it's a very trending. So what you think about, what you like, and okay, tell me something.
The same thing, if I'm feeling comfortable, like there are so many dresses, they looks very good, but I'm not feeling comfortable, so I never prefer these kind of dresses.
Right.
Because my family there is no restriction, you can wear anything, but because I'm not feeling comfortable, so I never tried these kind of dresses.
Yeah, I also not feel comfortable. Like Western dresses. I never wore. I never wear. So that's why I like.
In western dresses there are some good things also, like there are some gowns also, knee length gowns, they are good, but some other things like there are so many people who are wearing, if they are feeling comfortable they can wear, but I am not feeling comfortable, so why I should wear? If I am
Right.
comfortable in kurti, kurti, trousers, t-shirts, and some good tops also, then I always try. But if I'm not feeling some dresses, there are some dresses also, so I never try.
Yeah, I like a jean top like this. I like and sometimes I also wear gown. But uh, like short dresses I don't like. I actually I like, but I don't like for me or other if anyone wears. So I like okay, they seems good,
It
but
looks
it's
good.
when
When we are thinking that we should also try, that time we are feeling uncomfortable.
yes, because I never feel comfortable. That's why I do not prefer for myself. And like Indian dress, it's can I kya like our India traditionally is very good because other they people they want to wear Indian traditional dresses, and
Mhm.
they do wear. So um, our India is like very beautiful.
My
Everything
opinion,
is good.
you are feeling confident. If you are feeling confident and you are feeling comfortable, I think that time you should opt these kind of dresses. But after wearing, you are not feeling comfortable, and sometimes you are feeling that I'm not getting confidence also. I think that time you should never wear these kind of dresses.
Never wear, and like suitable. If anyone wear in a village area, they wear short dresses. So you know people they just say, "Oh my God, how
It doesn't matter who is watching you, because if you are wearing sari also and you are going here and there, everybody will watch you. It doesn't depend on your dress. But I am
don't
saying, if you
say
are
any."
wearing any dress, first of all, you should feel confident. If you are not confident, your short dresses, some other dresses, that time you should never wear these kind of dresses.
Yeah, it's
Because we
yeah.
can't judge anybody's dress.
It's, uh,
You should wear this. We can't judge.
right. But confidence level also like we feel confidence whenever we wear any dresses. But sometimes we feel confidence, but like everyone say don't wear in like they stop in a
Mhm.
villager. Yeah, that's why I'm saying in city whatever we wear no one see like because everyone wear like this cloth. But
Yes.
in village area still these things they thought in our mind like they just judge people like their cloth.
Mhm.
Sometimes
I
sometimes
good conversation with you.